Hey babes, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to train our arms, get rid of that extra fat, lift and firm our chest. What we need today is a pair of dumbbells. You can choose the weight according to your own level. If you don't have weights at home, you can use 2 water bottles. There are 8 exercises today. We will start with 1 minute warm-up. Afterwards, we will finish with a nice stretch. We will do each exercise for 30 seconds and rest for 10 seconds. Do it 2 to 3 times in a row, at least 3 times a week to get the optimal result. Now let's put our hands on top of our shoulder joints and we'll draw a backward circle. Warm up our shoulder joints. Do it 5 times and then we reverse the circle. Now we straighten our left hand and use our right hand to hold our left hand back to warm up our wrist. Hold it for 5 deep breaths. And then switch to the other hand. 3, 2, 1. And then we can shake our arms to increase the blood circulation and stretch our arm muscles. First 2 exercises are eagle arms. So we put out our left arm, stack our right arm on top, intertwine both hands. When you're ready, inhale, we lift both arms up. Exhale, we draw it down. And repeat, inhale up, exhale down. So when you do this movement, try to keep your body stable. Use your core to stabilize your body. Only your arms are moving. Last 3, 2, 1 and stop. Next is also eagle arm. This time we put out our right arm first, stack our left arm on top. Inhale up, exhale, draw it down. If you have shoulder joint injuries, try not to push your elbows above your shoulder joints. Otherwise, keep pushing up. Reach your limit and exhale down. Next exercise, you can do it in either kneeling or standing position. First, we hold the dumbbells, palms facing forward. Lift both arms up until you reach the shoulder level. Stop there, bend your elbow, bicep curl, and extend your arms and put it down. Repeat the whole process. Remember to always engage your core, hold your body tight. Keep breathing while you're doing the movement. This exercise is targeting our entire arms, especially the biceps. Now, last 3, 2, 1 and stop. Next is tricep kickbacks. First, we hold the dumbbells, bend our elbows, draw our upper arm towards our body. Inhale, prepare, exhale, extend our arms back. Inhale, bend, exhale, extend. You can choose to do it in kneeling position, just like what I'm doing. Sit your butt a little bit back. Keep your body straight. Or you can do it in standing position. So when you're doing all these exercises, I want you to be mindful of your movement. So focus on the muscle that you're working on and feel the burn. Next is overhead shoulder press. We first raise our arms shoulder level high and inhale, we press up, exhale down. Now let's go. This is not only toning our arm muscles, but also training our shoulders, also a little bit of our upper back. If you've watched my back training video, you should notice that this exercise is very similar to Superman Reach Out, except Superman Reach Out works more on our back muscles because you are lying down in prone position and you need to work against the the gravity. Next is push-up on one knee. We will switch the supporting knee halfway through. If you are strong enough, you should try the regular push-up. Now let's go. When you go down, try to draw your elbows backward and draw your upper arm towards your body, so you can focus on training your bicep and tricep more. Just imagine there's someone trying to pull your elbows back. We're almost done here, only 2 more exercises left after this. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next is plank shoulder tap. We first go into a high plank position. We use one hand to touch the opposite shoulder and then switch to the other hand. Now let's go. So as always, you should suck in your belly button and engage your core. Squeeze your glute in to hold that plank. And when you lift your hand, try to keep your pelvis as level as you can. This is not only training our upper body strength, also training our core, our abs, trunk stability. Now, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now is our last exercise, tricep dips. First, we get into a reverse tabletop position. And then inhale, we prepare. Exhale, we extend our arms, push our upper body up and down. You can also do it in a reverse breathing pattern. Remember to look up diagonally where the wall meets the ceiling. Don't drop your neck. Now we're almost done. This is our last exercise. Push it through. After this, we will have a nice stretch for the shoulders and arms. Or you can jump right back to the start and do it one more round. Good job, everyone. Now we will start the stretching. First, we extend our left arm and palm facing backward. Use our right arm to pull our left arm back. Stretching our entire arm, especially the tricep and shoulders. We hold it here for 5 deep breaths. Now another side, also 5 deep breaths. Next, we're going to stretch our tricep and armpit area. Also 5 deep breaths. Now switch to another side. All this stretching, you can do it in office while you're sitting, standing, watching TV or waiting for someone. Next, we're going to stretch our wrists, just like what we did in the warm-up at the beginning. Extend your left arm and use your right hand to pull your left hand backward. Now switch to the other side and hold it for 5 deep breaths again. Now we're gonna stretch our biceps. So first find something that you can hold on or a wall. Place your right arm on it and pull your arm. 5 deep breaths again. And then we switch to the other side. Now we interlace our fingers at the back of our body and then we lift the whole arm up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Stretching our shoulder joints. Try to lift as high as you can to push your limit. Now we shake our hands, shake our arms, stretching our muscles, and then we will stretch our neck. Now use one hand to grab the opposite ear and stretch the opposite side of the neck. Now your eye gaze, try to focus your eye gaze at your armpits. Thank you for watching this video and working out with me. Before you go, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe. I hope you like this video. See you next time.